Being part of iNet Control means you have easy access to visual diagnostic tools to help you get the most out of the iNet Exchange program. Through the iNet Exchange program, all instruments are monitored for both sensor health and performance in order to arrange replacements and troubleshoot problems for you to ensure zero downtime and maximum confidence in your instruments. All sensors have a span reserve. Think of it as the health of a sensor. The higher the span reserve, the healthier the sensor. The span reserve tends to fluctuate throughout the life of the sensor, so iNet Control collates this data over time to help you make an informed decision on replacing the sensor or to help you potentially diagnose problems with docking stations. In this video, I will check the health of a methane sensor on a Ventus Pro 5 instrument. To view the span reserves of sensors on an instrument, first log into iNet Control. Then enter the serial number of the instrument in the search box in the top right and click Search. Scroll down to the calibration section on this page and click Show Details. This will show all the sensors the instrument is equipped with. The span reserve results of the latest calibration will be shown here. Typically, a span reserve of 75 or greater is considered a healthy sensor. To view a graphical representation of the sensor's health, click on Graph, which is located to the left of the sensor. This will show a graph of all of the calibration results of the LEL sensor. If the span reserve, as shown here in this blue line, is within the green range, the sensor is healthy and works as intended. If the span reserve indicates 75 or below, the sensor is marginal. This indicates that it still works as intended, but may be reaching the end of its life and would be replaced soon. If the sensor has failed, or is 50 or below, the sensor should be replaced immediately to ensure the gas detector continues to work reliably and accurately. This is an example of another LEL sensor. However, this particular graph shows the typical trend of sensor decline. The span reserve results can also be used as a diagnostic tool. Instruments may also fail calibration due to issues with the docking station, such as restricted tubing or improper mounting. As shown here, due to improper mounting of the instrument, the docking station recorded a failed calibration test. Subsequent tests show the sensor functioning as normal. Sudden unexpected fails after a successful calibration may indicate the instrument was not docked properly. It is important to force a calibration after a failed or marginal result to diagnose the issue. And there you have it. Viewing the health of your instruments and sensors in iNet Control is a breeze, allowing you to proactively monitor and replace sensors as necessary. To learn more about how to get the most out of the iNet Control platform, contact your local AirMet scientific office on 1-800-000-744.